The login block is an essential feature for authenticating users and ensuring secure access to your app. Imagine you have a fitness app that offers personalized workout plans, tracking features, and progress monitoring for users. A returning user opens the app and uses the login screen to enter their email and password. By logging in, the user gains access to their previously saved workout history, personalized fitness plans, and nutrition advice. First, drag the login block into your app's workflow. This block will handle the user's login process by validating their credentials. Now, connect the login block to a specific event, like a button press. For instance, when a user taps the login button, it will trigger the login process. In this case, connect the event to the login block. Once the logic is connected to the view event, it's time to configure the inputs. You need to specify the required data fields, such as the user's email and password. You'll need to make sure you've created the necessary email and password inputs in the view builder beforehand. Match these inputs with the login block to ensure user credentials are correctly passed from the view to the logic block. If your app supports a generic login email, such as a guest or test account, you can enable that option here. Make sure to input a valid generic email address if this feature is required. Next, you'll want to set up custom success and error messages to notify users of the login outcome. Success messages can confirm that login was successful, while error messages will inform users if something went wrong, such as incorrect credentials. This is optional, but it's nice to have.